Beyond the Essential of Microsoft Excel Applications, Part 2. Microsoft Excel and Advanced Editing Techniques, Transposing Non-Formulated and Formulated Cells. Transposing non-formulated cells. Cell contents can be easily transposed if it is not a formulated cells, that is. Transpose cells content in column A of which data are stored in the same column but different row. To display its cells contents in single row but different columns like this. Transposing formulated cells. Transposing formulated cells is not that so straightforward, that is. Transpose formulated cells content in column A of which data are stored in the same column but different row. To display its cells contents in single row but different columns like this. Microsoft Excel and Advanced Editing Technique. Convert data in report format to database format. Very often, we received a report, of which data are organized in a tabulated form as shown like this. As you can see, this table has cells which should not be left as blank cells. To convert this table to database format, we would need to insert a proper cell contents to these ranges of cell like this. And another data layout conversion is also required for this commit date information by converting these data to a single column like this. And this commit quantity to another column like this. With data in database format, we can then proceed to create different type of reports such as commit performance by product report, material delivery status report. Material delivery status report is a report that will automatically highlight line items of which quantity committed on its commit date that do not meet the required date and quantity by the customer. This checking process will continue till it reaches the last row of this table. Excel would then highlight those line items that required further expedition. Microsoft Excel and Advanced Editing Technique, revert cells with texted formulas to a normal formulated cells. Converting imported texted formula using Excel. Assuming your counterpart in Europe has just sent you an Excel file, and he wants to review with you on the figure shown in his spreadsheet. Unfortunately, all the formulas in this file somehow has been converted to a texted formulas, and you are struggling to find a way to have Excel to return the value of the formulated cells instead of showing you the formula. Here is how the file looks like. You would then have to double-click on each cells, one by one, to activate your workbook in edit mode, then press Enter to have Excel recalculate the cell value of the formula entered in this column. In fact, Excel does has a tool for us to convert all text formula cells to value at once like this. Another, Microsoft Excel and Advanced Editing Technique, breaking data into different rows or columns. Add line break in a cell using Excel function. Assuming you want to add line break to the data in a ref des column that show the component designation reference, so that its display format will be changed from table A to table B format, by adding line break to the cell range. Removing line break in a cell using Excel function. You are also want to convert display format of the data in a ref des column that show the component designation reference from table B to table A format by removing line breaks from the cell range. Break text to different columns and rows Now you want to break the cell contents into different rows and columns like this. From this table, to this table, and from this table, to this table, using both Excel function approach and text-to-column approach. Once again, thank you for viewing our short presentation on Beyond the Essential of Microsoft Excel Applications. Another Mastering MS Excel series by Advanced Dynamic Solutions. For more inquiry, please contact us at the following contact number.